This old guy DIY video has to do with some G&F 100% top grain cowhide leather gloves that I received from Amazon yesterday. So my first impressions of these things, they show up, you get 3 pair in a package, and just wrapped in this little plastic. It doesn't say which country they're made in, so I have no idea. But looking at the quality, you know, the stitching is as good as anything I've gotten from Tractor Supply or Menards, where I normally buy my gloves. But single pairs of gloves here in West Michigan at the local stores are between 13 and 15 bucks a piece. And in this case, I got 3 pairs of gloves delivered to the house by Amazon for $21. So it's 7 bucks a pair. I thought I'd give it a shot. I normally wear 2XL gloves, but they weren't offered, and I have a hard time finding 2XL in leather gloves. I know these things will stretch to fit my hand even better. So the first time you put them on, they're kind of tight, but certainly they provide the dexterity you need if you're handling things or driving a tractor or whatever the case is. They appear to be thick leather. The sewing is average, I would say, or as good as anything I've had over the last 40 years. And I look forward to trying these things out and seeing how they wear over time. I hope this video helped you. Have a nice day.